Today's STEM Quick Win is brought to you in partnership with Citizens Energy Group. We have partnered with them to create 5 videos all about water. Today's activity is make a water filter. We'll be learning how to clean our wastewater. Let's join some STEM kids and get started.
So before your wastewater can be used again, it has to go through many different steps to make it clean. And one of those steps is filtration. So today we'll be modeling that and seeing a couple different types of filtration and how well they work and comparing them to each other. So that's our STEM Quick Win. Let's get to it.
Hi, I'm Madeline with the STEM Connection, and today I have with me
Alyssa,
Noah,
Ellie, Cam.
And today we're going to be continuing to talk about wastewater. So once wastewater goes down your sink and goes to the water filtration place, what's one of the first things that they do with the water when it gets there, Cammie?
They have filtration.
Yeah, so today that's what we're modeling. We have some mock filtration systems set up here. So this is the water we're going to be using and filtering. So what do you guys see in the water?
Mulch,
grass,
dirt, rocks.
Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about your filtration devices now. Can you guys each explain what you did to your devices?
I put a paper towel with tape around it, and I put 2 cotton balls in it.
I took a coffee filter and taped it around a water bottle.
I took a paper towel and put a cotton ball in it and broke it up and spread it all around.
I put a coffee filter and put 3 cotton balls in it.
Yeah, okay, so Noah, what do you hypothesize or think is going to happen when you put this dirty water into your filtration device?
I think we're gonna get a lot of the big things, but the water's still gonna look murky.
All right, let's try it out.
Nothing's coming out.
All right, so now that you guys have put the dirty water in, what do you see happening, Alyssa?
I see mulch and grass and all like the sticks and stuff that got caught inside the filter. And then in the water, there's like nothing in there.
Noah, what color is the water though?
It's lighter than it was before, but it's still murky.
So, Ellie, would you drink this water?
Nope.
Well, there's a good thing there's a lot more steps that wastewater goes through before you're able to drink it. But have fun making this at home. You can use whatever you have around. Cups, water bottles, Gatorade bottles, anything you have. So,
Thanks for joining us at the STEM Connection.
See you next time.
bye!